To say the least, by this time everyone knows about Galaxy S23 Ultra is the best Android smartphone if you talk about the battery backup. And the reason behind not the best because of iPhone 14 Pro Max. And here's another advantage of Galaxy S23 Ultra over iPhone 14 Pro Max which makes you consider S23 Ultra over iPhone. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now S23 Ultra comes with the same 45W fast charger just like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the numbers on the S23 Ultra is quite amazing, where your S23 Ultra will going to charge around 57 minutes from 0 to 100, which is much better than considering how long it lasts against the competitors, which we talk later. But here's the thing, if you use any of old chargers or wireless pad, then things will be different, where if you use 25W fast charger, that number will go to 73 minutes instead of 57. And if you are going to use Qualcomm Quick Charge, then it will take about 91 minutes to get fully charged. So it's better to go for Samsung's official 45W fast charger to get the best results. And you guys might be thinking about how it's different from Galaxy S22 Ultra. Well, interesting things are here. S22 Ultra go from 0 to 100% in just 62 minutes, only 5 minutes later than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Not a big difference between the S23 and S22 Ultra because both phones have the same battery of 5000 mAh and same charging speed at 45W. Now some of you guys might be thinking about the iPhone 14 Pro Max and second best budget flagship smartphone, the Pixel 7 Pro. Now it takes around 1 hour and 43 minutes to fully charge iPhone 14 Pro Max and about 1 hour and 47 minutes for the Pixel 7 Pro. So considering the battery life on S23 Ultra and charging speed, S23 Ultra can easily beat iPhone 14 Pro Max. You might be thinking how? Well, if you talk about the battery life of S23 Ultra, then it only falls short about 10 minutes if we compare S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro Max side by side. So the charging speed is a big difference, where S23 Ultra only takes about 57 minutes and iPhone go about almost double at 1 hour and 43 minutes. You can still pre-order S23 Ultra and get some gift, and if you get lucky, some people actually getting 45W fast charger with the pre-order of Galaxy S23 Ultra. So you don't need to buy a new charger for the S23 Ultra. If you guys want to see S23 Ultra One UI 5.1 new amazing feature, click on this video to know more about, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.